Alright, got Q217 coming up. And if I understand correctly, he lost his second engine. Meaning his second engine kind of shut down. So I don't know if it's true or not. '60s. Ah, okay. So the southbound intermodal was 228. Okay, so I got 227 coming up. Okay.
Q217-31 West 137 CSX Q217-31 Junction Main northbound.
Oh, I know. Oh, I know. Over. The 227 northbound coming up. And I see 228. $40.17, $83.45, $98.25. Sweet. For 217, like I said earlier, if I understand correctly from a dispatch, this 217 Empty Auto said, yeah, we lost our second motor, so we completely shut down. So like, oh man, it's freakish. Yeah, I'm trying to stay dry, guys, so I'm doing the best I can. And there goes 228. And there's 228 northbound. And there it goes, pick up a little bit of speed now. I wonder why his 217 second unit went complete fooey. I wonder why. Huh. CSX NS scanners. Yeah, I think I'm going to stay here until about 3-ish. I think. Hey, but get the most speed up a little bit. Sweet. That's good. Keep these trains moving. Hey, okay, it goes back in. Mark on the wheel. Uh-oh. Sorry. Alright, see you guys. Meet me in the next one.